This is a quick tutorial for 7th grade, page 24 and 25 in your packet, expanding expressions. Okay, how do you get rid of parentheses? You use the what? Distributive property. This 1/3 is the coefficient of this set of parentheses. That means you're going to have to distribute it to everything in the parentheses, but only things in the parentheses. You do not distribute to this 2x because it is outside the parentheses. Okay, side by side means multiply. So we're going to multiply 1/3 times 9x. Okay, plus, we're going to distribute this 1/3 to this 16. So 1/3 times 16. We're going to distribute this 1/3 to the 2 plus, I get the plus from right here, 1/3 times 2, and then you still got your 2x over here. All right, 1/3 times 9x. What is 1/3 times 9? Let's do a little scratch work on the side. 1/3 times 9 over 1. That would be 9 over 3, or 3. X. Plus 1/3 times 16. 16 is the same thing as 16 over 1. 1 times 16 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. 16/3. Plus 1/3 times 2. 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2/3. Gibby move. Plus 2x. Now we have to combine like terms. Which terms are alike? Well, 3x and positive 2x are like terms because they both have an x. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 16/3 and positive 2/3 are like terms because they are constants. They're just plain old numbers without a variable. So 16/3 plus 2/3. Let's do a little scratch work on the side. 16/3 plus 2/3. Now we are adding, so we must have a common denominator. We already have a common denominator of 3. So we add the numerators. 16 plus 2 is 18, and bring your denominator over, thirds. Now, notice that we did not have to find a common denominator for multiplying fractions, but we do when we are adding and subtracting fractions. Now, 18/3, same thing as 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So 5x plus 6 would be your most simplified form of this expression.